Hey Phil, Shaelee here with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And I noticed that whoever made this did a really good job with these call to actions throughout. That really helps with your conversion. Really nice layout. The one thing that I would recommend is having some more content on your homepage. And the reason is because Google has what's called crawlers. And they're crawling the internet 24/7, and so they are looking through all the websites, looking and reading through the content, seeing what keywords are embedded in that content, and you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority, and then you want those keywords embedded in them. So let's take a look at an example of a keyword. Dallas foundation repair is a keyword that people are searching every month. And so the first thing that pops up here are some ads. But if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 here because 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And the way that you rank in this section is having more citations, reviews, and photos than these other businesses on your Google business profile. And a lot of people won't click on this more businesses here, so that's why you want to be in the top 3. So if we scroll down, so this is where your business ranks, and I see you here, which is really good because a lot of people, 90% of people will stay on this first page here. And so the higher up you are, the better. The majority of the other 60 to 70% go in the top 3. A lot of them go in the top 1. So if we can get you ranking even higher here for this keyword, you'd be getting even more leads. But let's take a look at the Premier Foundation Repair. So right off the bat, your website's doing better with those click to call or call to action buttons and content. So let's take a look on their backend. So I have the Premier Foundation Repair plugged into Ahrefs, and these numbers here are ratings taken from data from Google. And so UR and DR, this is the authority and the trustworthiness of a site. So they have 35 and 7. Which comes from 3.15K backlinks, and backlinks come from referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's just one website linking to another, so it's kind of like a shout out. But something to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to make sure that you are getting good quality backlinks. If there are spammy ones, it will bring these numbers down. So Premier Foundation Repair, they have 281 organic keywords on their homepage. And so let's take a look at your website here. So the first thing I see here is these numbers are super similar. The power and the trustworthiness. And so what I'd recommend is making sure that you have more quality backlinks to get these numbers up, to make sure that you are beating them, not by just a little bit. And then I would make sure that the keywords that you're wanting are added, just because they are ranking higher for you on that homepage for that one specific keyword. At least I didn't go through them all, but for that keyword they are ranking higher, and it could just be that they have that keyword more on their homepage than you do. And so let's see. So there are a ton of people searching for what you all do, the services that you provide in the areas that you serve. And so I would just make sure that you're adding more high quality backlinks to your site. Add some more content to bump it up to at least 1,500 words on your homepage, as well as adding more citations to your Google business profile. That way not only is your website ranking, but also your Google business profile is ranking. So if you all ever need any help with any of this, I'd be more than happy to help you, and thank you for your time.